So I'm going to start with some liquid clear. Some phthalo green. I'm going to do some green stripy things here. Over here, just some different patterns. Put a bit of this green just down here. Just wiping off the brush. Just whatever, just a bit of green coming off the brush. Now let's go into the blue. I'm not worried about changing the brush, still got the same brush as I started with. And let's just fill up all these bits here. There we go. And in here. And we can just come and fill up all this down here. Using the very smallest amount, mixing that up. Just so we've got some colour here on the board. Mixing with the blue and green. There we go. Very little paint down there, and then just very gently just go across this. Then we're just going to throw some white on and see what happens. Okay, let's just do some little patterns, and I want a lot coming from this area. So we just put a little one there. We're going to come across here and drag these tonight. Here. Let's just do a funny one there. Look. Okay, so here we go. Let's just pull these up. We're going to get all these fantastic little colours coming through. We can have more white, we can do what we want here. Just pull them straight up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This, maybe this one comes up there, has a little wiggle. Just any sort of patterns that you want to do. Okay, so we're going to go up here. Don't forget to come and follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to know, what paints I use, my website, my YouTube, my Instagram, just go to that little link underneath my profile picture on TikTok. It's all there. You can follow me on Instagram, YouTube, you can learn everything that I do. Here we go, look at these ones. Let's just put any old sort of pattern in there. And we're going to have these beautiful patterns come in here. There we go, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Very gently go across there like that. But yeah, I'm just going to knock up these colours together that I've got here. There's a little bit of black, the blue, the green. Just going to knock all this up together. Make a dark colour here. I'll probably use that sap green up somewhere. So yeah, just a dark colour. I'm going to make some mountains. So I'm going to cut across here. Just have a nice sort of mountain that lives here. One that lives here. Maybe a bit higher. Comes down there. Maybe somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. We'll have some kind of things going on in the background maybe. We're just gonna pull these out a little bit, make these sort of shapes. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do there, but I know that I'm gonna put some snow on, so let's do that. Who hasn't met Bob and Brenda? Because if you haven't, this is Bob and this is Brenda. They got their own merch at the website, so go and check that out. It's got some hints of green in this, so it should look quite alright, I'd imagine. And here. I'm going to add quite a bit more snow to these than what's already there, I think. Quite sort of white down here. Something like that. And then we can have another little peak that lives up there. That can come into there. Let's do another little one that lives here. Just pull them down like that. We're going to sort of merge these two together, I think. So I've got some phthalo blue here. I'm going to make up sort of like a greeny sort of blue colour there. Let's just nick a little bit of that green, put some streaks in there. Okay, just a little shadow. We can sort of blend them together there. And here. Let's blend them together. I go in, if you know what I mean, just very gently swiping these down. Okay, I'm gonna blend these together here. Just softening this bit over here really. Is this like a little sort of river coming through? Please do check out the website, everyone. I think you'll be amazed what's there and the prices and stuff, especially prints. You can get a print so cheap, free UK postage, you know. Okay, let's do some little trees then. I'm going to do a little layer that across down here. Need plenty of paint on the brush for this. There we go. Maybe they get a little bit bigger as they come towards us. Then we can just put a load of dark in there. So yeah, I'm going to pull down first. We should see some of this colour come through. Could have done, you know, so many times to do the water different. Sometimes you reflect the lights as they are in the sky, or sometimes you can do a blur, and I'm doing a blur tonight. Okay, so we're going to pull down first. Just pulling down with a big brush, quite firmly. There we go, something like that. Looks mint already. Right, now watch. Got to make the sound effects. And we can add some little water lines in there. Look at that beautiful green reflection there. Look at that water. What do you think to that, guys? We'll just put a little water line in here now. We can blend some of this out. And then I'm just going to do some land basically. Looking a bit more icier now, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm just going to put it in. Here we go. Maybe it comes round here. Let's just pull this down, not into the water. We'll make some water reflections off of that. Okay, and we're just going to pull this down. Just go across. We'll just put this little water line in there. I'm going to just make a nice little tree that lives here. Here it comes. We're going to put some little highlights on him. So this one lives here. Absolutely love it. This should help bring the tree alive. Just a little bit darker as it comes down there. Just add a little bit of flavour. Down here there's some not much at all. There we go. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Visualfusions Painting and Art.